What's crack-a-locking, all my lovely people? It's your boy, Damien Dupee, #1 off-market land specialist, hyper-focused on the infield lots. If you could be so kind, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your notification bell, and if you find anything valuable in this video, drop me a comment. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to wholesale land off the MLS. Very easy to do. You got to do it in this order. If not, you're going to get looked at like a newbie. You might get hung up on click. Okay? All right. So if you do not have MLS access, let me back up a little bit. I want to thank you guys for all the support I'm getting. Okay? This is new to me. I try to give you guys the best content I can think of. As I'm doing it, I'm showing you. As I'm doing deals, I'm showing you how I'm doing deals, how I'm getting deals, how I'm structuring deals, the whole nine, okay? So if you could be so kind, share this content with someone. If you know anyone who's maybe getting their boot smoked with the houses or not getting their boot smoked, who's in real estate, share this content. This might not be what they're doing, but I mean, I'm at 500 subscribers now. I would love to get to 1,000. So if the more people share this and people subscribe, I grow and multiply in Jesus' name. You hear me? So, without further ado, jump right in. I'm going to tell you exactly how to do this strategy. Very, very great strategy. You got to do it exactly the way I tell you to do it. If not, it ain't going to work out good for you. Okay. So there's 3 ways you can do it. The first one is, first of all, you got to know what a deal looks like. You have to know what a deal looks like. You got to know beyond a shadow of a doubt what a deal looks like. You got to know beyond a shadow of a doubt that you have a buyer in place. That's why I preach to you folks. A lot of folk wasting their time going out there trying to find buyers. You new to this, partner with me. Don't waste your time. A lot of people are wasting time trying to find their own buyers. They're trying to do their own thing. I don't blame you. Hey, if you want to experience it that way, if you want to do the trial and error thing, do your thing. But I have really, really made this blueprint laser focused for you folks. It baffles me when people ask me questions that I, that I already answered. But it's okay. I understand everybody, learn at different state. Learn differently. So some people like to go out there and get their boots smoked the first round. Go ahead, do your thing. That's how you learn. That's how you learn. I'm trying to get you to learn and earn. So earn, EARN, earn some Skrilla, some ducats, some greenbacks, some do-re-mi, some ching-chingy, ingy. Okay? So, if you don't do it this way, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to waste your time, okay? You can't do it any other way. The first way you can do it is add value to a broker or real estate agent where you can get your own access to the MLS like I have. In North Carolina, you do not have to be a broker or a real estate agent. You could be an assistant of a broker or real estate agent. 2, you can use Zillow. Zillow will allow you to see everything that's on the market, okay? Everything that's active. You go for land, you go for sale, price point. I do 50,000 and under. Okay, land, boom. This is everything on the MLS right here. Of course, you got to pick where you're hunting at. Let's do Charlotte. That's where I'm at. I'm in Charlotte, North Carolina. So as you can see, there ain't nothing on the market in Charlotte. Ain't nothing. These are my lots right here. I got these. These my lots. 1, that's my lot. That's my lot. That my lot. That lot ain't no good. You can't do nothing with that. You can't sell that to a blind man. You hear me? I sold that lot to them boys. They've been sitting on it for a while. I know them. I know who owned this lot. I mean, I know what's going on the market. Overpriced, okay, super overpriced. I sold this lot when I was kind of new in the game for $10,000. They trying to flip it for $35,000. I ain't mad at you. I know who owns this lot. I don't know this lot. I don't know. All that I'm trying to say is this is all the active listings on the MLS. Okay, you got to know. You can set up a save search in Zillow. Okay, when you save search, boom, anything that hits the market, it'll hit you on an instance. Very quickly to do. Save search. Now you get an alert. Okay? You got an alert. The third way you can do it is get a real estate agent to set you up with a save search on the MLS in your target area, and you'll get an email as soon as stuff hit the MLS. The MLS, the agent way, you're going to get it faster than you get it for Zillow because it hits the MLS first, then it syndicates to Zillow, Trulia, all them other places. So if you're trying to catch it on Zillow, I might beat you. I might beat you to the punch because I'm getting it straight from the MLS. I do have a search set up. It'll alert me as soon as something hit the market. I am watching the market pretty aggressively. But I'm just trying to give you a couple ways how you can get these listings sent to you. You can analyze these deals fast and be able to make an offer. Okay. 2, once you have found an opportunity, you have verified it's water and sewer on the street. The topography is very decent. Then you want to make an offer. Now, I probably should do a cheat sheet for this script, but you can write it down. It's a very easy script. You want to call the agent, and you want to basically tell them what you want. It sounds something like this. I do it all the time. You can text them. You can email them. I don't care how you do it. Just do it. You can say something like this. I'm Damien with FlippingLand Solutions. I want that lot at $12,000. I'm going to put down a $500 deposit. I'm going to close in 30 days. Does that work for you? Oh, and I need you to write the offer for me. You can't miss that part. Because when they write the offer, they do both sides of the deal. They make some extra commission. That's all. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. That's all. Oh, I got a closing schedule for tomorrow. And I'm buying this. And I'm buying. Need HUD. Probably buy this with a credit card. But no, I think I'm going to build on this. So I'm going to figure this out. I'm buying. Need HUD. Okay. That's another one. Another assignment. Okay. I'm getting off focus, people. My bad. It's cranking. It's cranking over here. It's cracking lacking. All right. Ladies and gentlemen. So you have to call the agent. Just to recap, say, I'm Damien with FlippingLand Solutions. I want this lot. You tell them what you want. I want this lot at $12,000, $500 deposit, $500 non-refundable deposit, due diligence. I'm going to close in 30 days, and I want you to write it up for me. That's it. You need to stay on their heels like the bubonic plague. You need to follow up with them until they send you the offer. This is what it's going to look like. This is the deal. I just got an email from my attorney asking me, am I wholesaling or am I closing? I'm going to close. I'm going to build on this. Lord's willing. I'm going to build on this. This is 2 lots. I'm going to build on. I could wholesale it and make $10,000, but I ain't going to do it. So what you got to tell the agent is you have to put your company name and or assigns or to assign. And or assigns to assign. It don't matter. Because you need to be able to assign that contract. That's it. That's all. That's how you do it. Again, I told you I was going to be short and sweet. You got to be confident when you're calling these agents, and you got to be persistent. Don't tell them one time. You need to text them. Hey, when can I expect the offer? You got to follow up. Okay, great. I'll be looking out for it. Can you send it electronically? As you can see, I did this deal out of state. One of my students bought me the deal. I paid the student $1,000 for bringing me the deal. I did. Parker Dowling, paid him $1,000 to bring me this deal because it wasn't much juice on it, and I won't get into it, but I paid him $1,000, so he ate a little something. Usually, I'm very generous. I got another student. I'm paying 5 stacks that bought me a deal. Okay, so sometimes I pay 10 stacks, 20 stacks, 30 stacks. It all depends. I don't care. I want you to eat, but I wanted this lot, and I told him I was going to build on it. I didn't want to wholesale it. And he did all the work. He reached out to the agent. He said exactly what I told him to say. He was the middleman. I didn't even do this. One of my students did. I told him how to, like I said, I want to show you how to do this. And I need to bring him on as a case study to basically show you people that, like, it don't just work for me. This man is a newbie. He might have done one or two land wholesale deals, but he locked this up for me. I signed it, and I'm about to close it. 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 If you want to look at the deal, we can look at it real quick. I love what I do. I love showing you people's how to structure these deals, how to be creative, how to be innovative. I don't see anybody else showing you this stuff. I don't. I really don't. I don't. And I'm not trying to boast or brag of myself, but I like to be, in a position where I can help you folks win, at an all-time high. All right. So I got this lot right here, ladies and gentlemen. This one right here. I got this under contract, and I got this one. I'm closing it. All right. So, yep. So it's under contract by me. Student found it. 1 day on the market, of course, because you got to be a sniper. Again, you got to be aggressive too. As you can see, this lady, she done both sides of the deal. She's gonna make 5%. Buyer agency, she gonna make 5%, so she happy. 5% of 30. I mean, that ain't really nothing, but she gonna make a couple coins, and I got the deal, so that's all that matters. So you got to be aggressive. That is the deal. It is city water and sewer. My guy, my OG did say we can build on it. I'll be showing you the progress of some of my builds soon, but that's how you get lots off the contract. If I wanted to flip this, I could flip it. I could flip it, ladies and gentlemen. I could flip it. Let me show you. And I hope this stuff is, if this is helping somebody, go ahead and drop me a comment. I appreciate your emoji, a like, a smiley face. Give me something, Give me something. This is the lot right there. All right, so boom. Look at this lot right here. 33.5. That's a comp. That is a comp. A lot of agents that list land, they don't know what they got. Okay? They don't know what they got. You feel me? That is a bigger lot. Again, but 33.5. I'm almost confident that I could sell that lot for probably 20 a pad. My buyers are buying lots in Gastonia for 20. I got it for 15. Anything I get in Gastonia, 28052. I typically can move for 20,000. I know that because this is my neck of the woods. This is what I do. I sell lots in Gastonia. I know Gastonia. My OG is building in Gastonia. We about to be building in Gastonia. So again, you might not see a comp in this pocket, but I know this area. I know this area like the back of my hand. That lot, both of these lots trade for 20 all day. So I got two lots for 15. And that's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you do it. Short and sweet. Don't try this if you don't have a buyer in place. Don't try this if you're not confident, because people gonna hear it in your voice. They gonna hear that you ain't ready, So again, you gotta be ready. You gotta be ready, ladies and gentlemen. You gotta be ready. And you gotta move fast. That listing was on the market a couple seconds before I snatched it up. Snatch. Okay. So again, thank you. I'm about to go grab me something to eat. I'm starving like Marvin, you dig? And there's a couple ways you can get in contact with your boy. We are land specialists. We on Facebook group. I'm about to start doing a live meetup. If you're local in Charlotte, man, I'm about to do it big. Live meetup. Nice little spot on Moorhead. Go on my Facebook group. I got all the details. If you want to get my free course, the link is in the description. You did me about 1,900 people in the course who have taken the course or signed up for the course, either or. If you want my scripts, cheat sheets, all that stuff, the link is in the description. If you want to know the tools that I use, the link is in the description. Again, I appreciate you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for checking me out. I'm gone like the wind.